Hey guys, Ralph here, and today I'm going to show you how to change oil on your 2012 Nissan Juke. First things first, you need to lift up your car using a jack and a jack stand, because you're going to be working underneath it. Things you need, so I got an engine oil here. Check your owner's manual what type of oil do you need to use. For me, I'm always using the 5W-30, which is in my owner's manual, advanced full synthetic, the high mileage. And you will also need an empty container to put your dirty oil or your used oil, some rags, paper towels, some basic hand tools, and you will also need the oil pan, here, gloves, um, the funnel. And if it's kind of hard to remove the oil filter, you need the oil filter clamp and oil filter as well. So usually I'm always ordering the Nissan oil filter, which is kind of cheap. Next step is to determine where your oil drain plug is located. Here it's located on the passenger side, on the front passenger side of the vehicle. So underneath the car, this is what the oil pan looks like, and this is the oil drain plug, which are going to drain the used oil, and beside it is your oil filter. So once you determine where's the drain plug, you can now use your socket wrench to remove the plug. Use the 14mm socket wrench to remove it. So this is one of the most important part, is to have your oil pan ready, but before you try to remove the plug, to avoid the spilling of the oil. So once you drain most of the fluid, you can put back the drain plug, but before that you need to put a new gasket, which is usually a single-use item and should be replaced with each oil change. Now you can tighten the drain plug. Usually I'm just using my hands to tighten it. I'm just feeling it, how tight it is, but if you want the specification of the torque, it's 20 to 25 foot-pounds. All good. Next step is to remove this oil filter with your hands, or if not, with the clamp. But before that, make sure that your oil drain pan is ready to avoid spilling. So this oil filter is really tight to remove. So what we're going to use is an oil filter wrench right here, which you can buy it in a local Walmart or auto shop. So here's the closer look after you remove the oil filter. Once you remove the old oil filter, you can now grab some paper towels and clean the oil filter adapter and its surrounding areas, like this. So here's our new oil filter, and what I like to do is to pre-oil my filter to prevent the car from running dry when you first start it up. And rub some oil on the rim of the filter as well, so the next time you're going to do an oil change, it will be easy for you to remove the filter by yourself or by hand. Once the oil filter is ready, you can screw this oil filter back to the oil filter adapter, and it should go easy and you don't need to force it. Good and tight, like this. One more time, clean the area with paper towels so that it will be easier for us to check if there's a leak later. The last step is to add new oil. So here's we're going to put new oil on it, and we're going to add 4 quarts of new engine oil. And that's 4 quarts of oil. So after putting 4 quarts of new oil, check your dipstick right here. First, clean it up with clean paper towels to remove the dirt and the oil, and then you should check the oil level. The oil level should be between the low and high marker right here. So this one is a little bit low, so we're going to add more oil to the engine. And now we're going to check again if our engine oil level is good. So you can see the engine oil level is between the high and the low, so meaning it's good. And now we're done here, and we're going to check the engine. We're going to start the engine and check if there's an check engine light. So I think everything's good. No check engine light, no warning lights. And also we're going to check the engine drain plug if there's a leak under the car. Check the oil filter and the drain plug right here, and everything's good, everything's clean, there's no leak, so it's perfect. So for your old engine oil, grab your container right here, then you can start transferring. Once you transfer it, you can give it to your local auto shop like AutoZone. They usually do recycle it. Just don't throw it in the trash and save the earth, okay? And if you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you on my next vlog. Thanks for watching.